This is our latest invention in 2015. Model number is ST4050. It can do sublimation only on the t-shirts. In the past, we have successfully sold out many models of the same, but the customers had some problems and issues. As you can see, the size of the machine is very compact. This machine doesn't give the uniform heat to the sublimation. The latest machine is designed with the latest heating pads. It is made with the newest heating tubes. The second difference is the size. As you can see, this is made of 40 by 50 centimeters. The heating pad of the machine is like a drawer. As you can see, you can easily pull out and push in. It's very comfortable to put the t-shirt in it. Also, the weight of the machine is very compact. You can easily take it with you in your luggage, which will save the cost of shipment. Mr. Leo is going to give a demo of the sublimation of the t-shirt. As you see, we have the printed picture and push in the drawer. A special feature of this machine is it has a hydraulic pump. So you don't have to waste your energy. In this way, you can save 800 kilowatts energy a day. And you can make thousands of t-shirts in a day without losing much energy. This will also save your labor cost. And on the top of it, when you see the result will be accurate, without any energy wasting, without much pressure. Time is up. Now, you can see the color effects. With a little of energy, you can see the beautiful picture on the t-shirt is here. As you see the t-shirt, the color effects are much better than we had in the past. There are 6 different buttons on this machine. For different materials, we need different settings. So we can adjust the setting with the minus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is to adjust the hydraulic pump pressure. You can adjust the pressure here pressing the pressure button, and you can increase the pressure. The maximum pressure you can increase is up to 9. This is the stop button. In emergency, you can stop this button and open it. This is the mode button. Press once, you can adjust the temperature. You can increase the temperature and decrease the temperature. Press again, you can adjust the timings. You can increase the timings and you can decrease the timings. And if you press plus and minus together, it will change the settings to Fahrenheit. And if you want to go to Celsius, press this again together. This is how it works. The warranty of this machine is up to 5,000 t-shirts. Now, how will you know the number of t-shirts the machine has made? It's very simple. Press the minus button for 3 seconds. When you hear the beep, press the plus button. This machine has made 69 t-shirts up to the date. These are the new models of 2015 from FreeSub. I hope you enjoy doing our sublimations. Thank you for your cooperation.
这是我们2015年整个研发团队研发出来的全新的机器，希望大家能够喜欢，谢谢。